Hey friends, if you wish to remove PIN from Windows 11 to log into your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Accounts tab, select Sign In options in the right pane, and now there is an option which says for improved security only allow Windows Hello Sign In recommended. Turn this off. Go to PIN and then you have this option to remove the sign in option. Click on remove once again. It will ask for your password. Okay, we will have to enter the password and then click on OK, and the pin has been removed. Now when you try to log into your system, it will not ask for the pin. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.